Look up at the night sky, the moon, the planets, even the satellites we send into space. Why do they stay up there? Why don't they just float away or come crashing down? The answer lies in one of the most powerful forces in the universe, gravity. But there's more to it than that, so let's break it down. In space, almost everything is in orbit, but not all orbits are the same. Let's explore the different types. Planets move in almost circular orbits around the sun. They're held in place by the sun's gravity, but they don't fall in. Why? Because they're moving sideways at just the right speed. Moons orbit planets in the same way, like how our moon orbits Earth. Comets, however, are the rebels of the solar system. Their orbits are highly elliptical, meaning they travel far away before swinging back in close to the sun at incredible speeds. Artificial satellites, like the International Space Station, orbit Earth in precise paths, using gravity to keep them in place while traveling thousands of kilometers per hour. But wait, if gravity is always pulling things in, why don't these objects just crash into what they're orbiting? That's where velocity comes in. Picture this, you're swinging a ball on a string around your head. The ball is always being pulled toward your hand, but it never falls in, because it's moving sideways. This is exactly what happens in space, though. In circular orbits, gravity is always pulling objects towards the center, but their sideways motion keeps them moving around instead of falling in. Here's the cool part. Although the speed stays the same, the velocity is always changing. Why? Because velocity depends on direction, and since the planet is constantly changing direction, its velocity is always changing. This is why orbits work. It's a delicate balance between gravity and motion. But what happens if that balance is disturbed? Imagine you're on a merry-go-round. If you go faster, you feel like you're being pushed outward. If you slow down, you move inward. The same thing happens in space. If an object in orbit speeds up, it moves into a higher orbit, further from what it's orbiting. If it slows down, it drops into a lower orbit, getting closer to the planet or star. This is why spacecraft need precise calculations to enter stable orbits. Too slow and they fall back to Earth, too fast and they escape into space. So every planet, moon and satellite is dancing in a delicate balance. Move too fast or too slow and everything changes. Understanding orbits isn't just about planets, it's how we send satellites into space, keep astronauts safe and even plan missions to Mars and beyond. Without this knowledge, GPS, weather forecasts and space exploration wouldn't be possible. Gravity and motion create a cosmic dance that keeps planets, moons and satellites in perfect balance. It's one of the universe's most elegant and fundamental forces at work. So next time you look up at the moon, remember it's not just sitting there, it's constantly falling, but missing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more epic space science videos.